Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Maruti. If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock in daily time frame is trading around this level, okay, and it has made some sort of a upside move. Okay, what can happen further? See, 7190 rupees will act as a resistance for sure. If the stock manages to cross this level, don't fall for it. First of all, let's see. If the stock manages to cross this level on intraday basis, it will go and hit this level first, move here, and then we'll try to give a breakout. Our target could be of these levels. Okay, our target could be here, 7347. This could be our potential target on intraday basis. But remember, this stock is actually moving towards downside. It is actually making this sort of a downside curve, okay, but this downside curve, if gets compensated tomorrow and the stock crosses this high, it will turn into this sort of a pattern. See, it will turn into this sort of a bullish pattern. Stock will come here, make some bullish candle, reverse up, and it will go up like this. So it can be this sort of a pattern as well. Okay, am I clear about this? Now let's see here. Stock is making triangle. Okay, if it breaks this triangle and moves towards upside, it will further move like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% momentum could be seen from this level as well. If you watch at the RSI, have a look at RSI, you will find out that okay, the stock is actually falling, going up, falling, again doing something, but it is not actually participating in the bull run of the market. What kind of a pattern it is actually about to make? Okay, so this is my short analysis for Maruti. If you'll see it like this, then you will say, oh, this stock is actually making this pattern as well as this pattern. You can say that as well, but remember, this pattern will be counted in market. Okay, one, two. If it comes here, take a buy position. It will further move towards upside. Okay, don't ever panic in this stock. If you want to take position here, you can take. If it comes down here, you can take position as well, and it will further move towards upside. Don't think of this inverted head and shoulders pattern, okay, because if you will think of this, you will never be able to take buy position in this sort of a stock, which is actually fundamentally strong. So this is my short analysis for Maruti. Thank you for watching.